New to Linked Helper? No worries, let me show you how to navigate the interface and workflows in particular, including how actions, delays, and priorities work there. Well, let's move to the Linked Helper instance. Here on the left side, you'll find the main control panel. This is where you can access all key sections. Campaign, where you create and manage all your outreach workflows. LinkedIn, access your LinkedIn account directly from inside the tool. Plugin Store, browse and install advanced features. Not sure what a plugin does? Well, just click on it and Linked Helper gives you a detailed description right in the interface. Dashboard, well, track campaigns performance and activity statistics. Settings, control limits and working hours, set interface preferences and integrations. And Need Help section, well, this is your quick access to guides, tutorials, and 24/7 support chat. Under the Campaign tab, you'll see your existing campaign. If you have several campaigns, you can switch between them here. If you install the Multi-Campaign plugin, your Campaigns tab will change, and you'll see the list of campaigns here, and you'll be able to start several workflows. They won't be running concurrently though, Linked Helper will switch between them. Well, then, each campaign includes several tabs. Workflow, this is where you build your sequence of actions. Profile lists and dashboard plus statistics for profile control and insights. But let's focus on Workflow tab for now. To start building your flow, click on the plus Add Action button. Here, you'll find a full list of actions: sending invites, messaging, liking posts, endorsing scales, adding delays, and more. You can scroll through the list to find the one you need, or check the sections here. Each action includes a short description. Click Details to view a full support article. Click Add to insert it into your workflow. To edit any step, just click on the action's name. The full list of settings appears on the right side here. You can also delete the action, move it up or down, and expand its sublists. If you're not sure what something means, just hover over for a quick tooltip. Linked Helper explains it all. By the way, remember that you can edit a campaign when it's stopped. And also an important note here, if you insert a new action at the top of the workflow, profiles already in queue of previous action may be reassigned to that new step. If that action doesn't match their connection status, like inviting first-degree connections, you can't do this, they'll fail. So it's best to plan your workflow from top to bottom. Here's how it works. Well, profiles move top to bottom through your workflow. To insert a pause between non-messaging actions, like between following profile pages and liking their posts, use delay between actions. For message delays, use check for replies. It pauses until a response comes or a timeout is reached. Also, Linked Helper is optimized to process workflows efficiently, of course. So, it prioritizes actions at the bottom of the chain, meaning if several steps are ready, the tool clears out lower actions first. This keeps profiles moving through the funnel quickly and logically. That's the basics. Now you know how to navigate the interface, manage your workflow, and keep your outreach smooth. Check out our other tutorials if you want to go deeper into automation best practices. Well, and thank you for watching, and happy automating!